Hi. We have a question at hand. Root of x minus 2 square plus y square plus root of x plus 2 square plus y square is equal to 4. Now, so how to solve this one? Let's say we have an xy axis, and basically x minus 2 square plus y square is nothing but distance of point xy from 2, 0, right? The distance is given by, if let's say we have a point xy, let's say it's called P, the distance is given, this distance is nothing but the first expression, right? And x plus 2 square y square, and the second expression shows the distance between the point minus 2, 0, which is this distance. Let's call this length A and let's call this length B. So what we are given is A plus B is equal to 4. So we need to find, what's the locus or trajectory of a point P such that this is the case, A plus B is 4. Now, the important consideration here is, if minus 2, 0 and 2, 0 are the points, then the distance between these 2 points themselves is 4 units, right? So this distance, let's say this point is called A and this point is called B, capital B. So the length AB itself is 4 units, which means if I take point P anywhere other than the line segment AB, it will be greater than 4. Let's say if I take a point here, so obviously this length plus this length is going to be greater than the line segment AB. Similarly, point P, as it is shown, is definitely going to be AP plus PB is going to be greater than AB. So even if I take a point, let's say right here, so here also if you see from A to this point, already this value is greater than 4. So in no case we are going to have the locus of point P such that it is beyond line segment AB. So it always must be on line segment AB, and it can be any point on line segment AB, because you choose any point, whether it is this or it is this or it is this, or on point B itself or on point A itself, the sum will always be 4. So the required solution to this question is, first of all, y component is 0, so y is equal to 0, and x will vary from minus 2 to 2 included, right? So this is the solution to this question. Now, another important consideration: what happens when this value, which we took equal to 4, is greater than 4? So if this value is greater than 4, this graph itself becomes ellipse. The locus becomes an ellipse, because the condition for ellipse is almost similar. The length of the point from the sum of the lengths of the points from the two foci of ellipse is always constant. That's the same condition wherein we are saying A plus B is equal to constant, and the only consideration here is that the value of that constant should be greater than the length between the two foci, which is in this case 4. So if this value right here, we were lucky enough to get this value as 4, so that we had a simple range of values for x and y was 0. But in case this value was given higher than 4, the locus of P would have been an ellipse. Thank you.